Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to make haptic touch faster on iPhone in iOS 17 or later. In iOS 17, Apple has added an accessibility feature that makes the haptic feedback feature activate faster than in previous versions of its mobile operating system. If you miss the 3D touch on your iPhone, you might just prefer it. For those unfamiliar, 3D touch was an interactive haptic feature that Apple introduced in 2015 with the iPhone 6s. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. Now scroll down in the Settings menu and choose Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch. Then tap on Haptic Touch. Then select from Fast, Default, and Slow options. Note that when you select the speed, you can test it using the flower image on the same screen. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily make the haptic touch faster on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.